ChatGPT not loading? Try these quick fixes now. Refresh the page. Sometimes the simplest fix works best. If ChatGPT stops responding or shows an error, first refresh the page. If that doesn't work, start a new chat by clicking on the option and then try again. If it is not loading, then the next fix is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. On Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, and then go to Privacy and Security. Here, select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and other site data is checked, and set the time range to all time. Finally, click Delete Data. Once done, refresh the ChatGPT page and check if it works. If the problem continues, the next fix is to disable your browser extensions. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. Turn off the toggle switches for the extensions you've installed, as some of them may conflict with ChatGPT. After disabling them, check if it is working or not. Another simple solution is to use incognito mode. Open Chrome. Click the three dots and select New Incognito Window. From there, go to the ChatGPT website. If ChatGPT loads properly here, it means the issue is related to your regular browser settings or extensions. Any one of these solutions may fix the issue. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips.